Hello there, with the Train Spot 5000 here. I'm at Cheadle Hulme for Bobfest. I'm joined by too many people to name, and we've got a service bound for Manchester Piccadilly, the 10:50, 11 o'clock service, 323-238, bound for Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe or Alderley Edge. And now arriving, and we've got the 11 o'clock service, 10:59, 323-235 after Stoke on Trent. There's Trains Fan UK. And there goes the service after Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport, Heaton Chapel, Evan Manchester Piccadilly, 323-238. And now passing through with a Virgin Pendolino to London Euston via Crewe. $390-107, I think. And now pass through with a Virgin Trains Pendolino. I think this is Poppy the Pendolino from London Euston via Stoke. $390, yeah, Poppy the Pendolino. $390, not sure. Manchester Piccadilly, that service. And supposedly slowly passing with an Arrivia Trains Wales service from Milford Haven or Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly, formed of 175 Caravan. 175 002. Passing cross-country Super Voyager, looks like. I can't see.
220113.
220103. Super Voyager, that one, eh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And now passing through, we have a cross-country Voyager service to Bristol Temple Meads by Birmingham New Street.
Am I in your way? No, I thought I was in Mike's way, sorry. No, you're not.
22019. 220019, I think. A nice tone there from the driver. And now arriving in, we have the 11:20 Northern Rail service to Crewe, formed of 323 via Alderley Edge. 323-234, my stalker from last year. But I weren't filming back in that day. And there goes the service off to Crewe, 323-234. Up from 25. And slowly arriving, we have a 11:28, I think, or 29, service to Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe. Still going quicker than a pacer. We got a Pendo behind me. Very nice. As a turn, we have a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to London Euston via Macclesfield, Stoke on Trent. James, Pendo. Oh well, he's missed it. I'll go over here. 390-114. There goes 323-237 off to Manchester Piccadilly by Stockport, Heaton Chapel, Evan Manchester Piccadilly. The only thing sounding dodgier than that is Bob Ranger. And now passing through, we have a Virgin Pendolino from London Euston via Crewe and Wilmslow to Manchester Piccadilly only, via Stockport, sorry. 390-047. making a lovely sound. I'm now arriving with the 11:38 Northern Rail service from Stoke-on-Trent to Manchester Piccadilly, formed with the usual 323. How can I see the number from here? 323 236. I'll confirm the number on upon its departure. And now departing is the service off to Manchester Piccadilly. 323 239 confirmed. And now passing through with a cross-country Voyager off to, I think, Bournemouth or Manchester Piccadilly, or Bristol. Bournemouth. 22016 again, I think.